today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix common search issues you're experiencing on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, you want to select where it says search and indexing, find and fix problems of Windows search. Go ahead and run the troubleshooter for that. And then follow through with the steps that best fit your particular issue here. You may need to attempt certain repairs as an administrator. Just select the correct options for permissions for that. And then hopefully your issue should resolve itself. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.